we have seen, here you can slice in the UI. Generally, all the functions are in the controller level you can manage. But in the user interface, we want to slice the values and display the values in different occasions. In that case, we can use these pipes. We can configure these pipes. Just how do we use the pipe? So we need a collection. And in the collection, we have a slice, and it requires start index, and end index. So where to start, where to end, we need to configure that. We need to use this option. For example, we are maintaining some data and we want to slide from specific and display those values. For example, just suppose we have a collection. Let's go and add a collection. So public products is a collection. It's an array. And we have like TV, we have like mobile. So we are having some options, jeans like this. Now I want to present this. And just I'm creating a simple, above I'm creating a div, and here I will just keep an ordered list and a list item. And here we are generating that by using iteration ng for. So let item of products. And we are printing the item here. So it is going to print all the products present in that particular array. Going to print all of them. I want to slice and display only specific range of values. Then you can apply the slice pipe on that collection. That means here we can use pipe. While iterating, I don't want all. I want to slice, and I need to display. Start index is 1 and end index is some 3. So 1, 2, 3. That means only those will be displayed. 1 and 2. You know that 3 is not included. The first one, 1 and 3. Because index starts with 0. And 1, it is starting with 1. And it is showing 2, 1 and 2. 3 is not included. You know that the end index is not included. Then it is going to display only those 2. So suppose I said 0 to 3. Then it needs to get that and display those values there. TV, mobile, shoe. From which index you can configure that. You can slice the values while performing an iteration and display. That's a simple point because already we know about slice, but this is just handling the slice in the UI level. In the UI level, it is configuring it. Right? So how it is going to display? This is a simple option for that. So a simple example is, so we created a simple collection. This is the collection. And we are applying the slice. So this is an ordered list. This is an example. Now in the output, it is going to display. It is going to display mobile and it is going to display shoe. That is based on the index numbers you have configured. We can apply the slice and define the slice. So technically, the slice functions allow you to slice the values and return a new array for that. So that is a simple slice pipe here available. Another important, we are having a JSON pipe. Actually, JSON pipe, it is used to convert the data into JSON format. JSON format. It is used to convert the data into JSON format, so that it can be transported across requests. Generally, while working with services and APIs, we need to convert the data into JSON. Actually, if data is coming from server side, we have middleware. Middleware will take the responsibility of converting the data into the understandable format. So it converts the data into JSON format. Middleware will take care about that. That I will show you when we learn about integration with server side. We will see that. But when we are submitting the data from Angular to any API, now in Angular we collect the data from a form and which need to be converted into JSON, because only JSON formatted data is understandable to that, so that it can present it. That's the reason we have to convert our data to JSON just by applying a JSON filter. So how we can apply the JSON filter? Just very simple here. Suppose I'm adding a div here. Okay. So we are displaying our data. Already we have data. I will use here expression. Our data is product. Product is an object. It can be an array of objects also. Product is an object. To that we will apply the JSON filter. Now you can see that the product object is displayed in a JSON format. It is displayed in a JSON format. This is how it is displaying. This is the JSON format. It can be one or multiple. That is the JSON format. To make it clear in appearance, I will use a pre tag, pre-formatted tag. In pre tag, I will try to display that. Then you can see it will display in this way. This is the JSON format of data. So it can be one object or multiple objects you can use for an array of objects. So this is important to understand, because JSON format is used for transporting the data across the request. So JSON is a format of data. So server side, when it is coming, middlewares will take care about parsing the data into JSON. But from Angular, when you are sending the data, then you need this JSON, right? So simple. So just already we have a product object here, and we need to apply JSON filter for that product object. So generally we have this product object. Okay. So that is the product object. So that means syntax, you need to apply data and just pipe symbol JSON. So this is example. So we need to display that in a JSON format. Then this is a simple pre, which converts the data into JSON and display the data into JSON format. That is the general JSON format, how we can handle and use. Another important one new pipe introduced into Angular 9. That is, we have a pipe called key value pipe. So key value pipe, actually it is used to transform an object. It is used to transform an object or a map. So map into an array of key and value pairs. Generally, when you are technically working with a collection an object